What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I've like get money to get this Talala Talala Katana Side Holo Purple and Hamehameha. That's it. I'm gonna probably destroy Fredbear, and we're gonna not kill him, but he's invincible. But we're gonna, you know, Hamehameha him. Let's go! Kamehameha! Wait guys, I have to lower my volume really quick. It's done now. Kamehameha! WC. Probably I know now that Kamehameha and Hollow Purple is the best. But I'm gonna give you a test. If you don't see the Hollow Purple, yep, I'm gonna show it. We've equipped Hollow Purple. Let's go! Go to sky and boom! It attacks players and also Fredbear. If there's an annoying player, you could hit them with this. Kamehameha. Because Kamehameha only do like this. Jump and you cannot attack players. It's not like on ground. Kamehameha! Yeah! Get out! Bro, bacon butter! Don't fall! I got nothing to buy because it haven't been updated. I know. I'm kinda sleepy, but I gonna end the video maybe later. Hame, hame, ha! Wah. Una, 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 una. Super temper. Hit! Hame, 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 hame. Hame, hame, hame. I hit the WC or make WC word Mac word cheating. I'm not hitting anything. I'm just hitting air. How great is that? Let's get Hollow Purples Go to Solar Purple. Ha ha ha. What? The class is that long? So freaking. It's the almost overpowered item and it lasts, short. Stand there, buddy. Bro! What did you so hit with Fredbear, man? Fredbear! He can hit me. Boos! Boom! 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 Although he's faster than a hollow purple, he's getting cooked by this guy. Never mind. Oh, yes, sir. You got Fredbear. What was Fredbear now? Oh my gosh! It's like this. He is sitting dead. He's sitting dead, bro. He is. Oh, Fredbear's back. But after 9 months, he wake up destroying buildings. Oh wow! Another destroying Fredbear. I'ma kill you. Just joking. On a game. I killed Fredbear on a game. Whoa. What? I think that was a Hame purple. Hmm. Ha 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 ha. No, that meat. Oh my god. It was cook. Fredbear's cook. Push. Get on the wall. You would. He did the like this concrete thing and just climb on it. Oh no, bro. Superpower. Yo! I thought it was fast. Now it got patched. Is it only me? No, it's just not only me, but only me. But I should get to the lobby because there's no one fighting Red Bear. Oh, there's one. There's two. Nah, the the two. The one is me. The one is this guy, the bacon. We're gonna go again to another server. Urge 9. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, I guess. So, bye bye.